I am Dr. G. Jenitha, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Differential Equation, Types of Differential Equation, Order and Degree for the Differential Equation. One by one we will discuss today. Okay. First, what is differential equation? Already we know that normally we have to use many notation denoted to differential equation. Okay, what is a proper definition means the equation with the differential operator are known as differential equation. We have to use capital D, d by dx, dou. These are all the three differential operator. We have to use the equation. That equation is called as a differential equation. So next, the differential equation can be split it into two. One is ordinary differential equation, another one is partial differential equation. What is the difference between these two? Ordinary differential equation means the single independent variable involved. The equation is called as an ordinary differential equation. More than one independent variable involved means that is called as a partial differential equation. What is normally the example of the ordinary differential equation can we say dy by dx plus 5y equal to e power x. Normally, which is we can say the variables y and x. Yes. What is I told the normal ordinary differential equation? Single independent variable involved. First, we will clarify what is dependent variable, what is independent variable. Okay. It is very easy to know for dependent and independent. See this example. Independent means cause. Dependent means effect. For example, I have to say one of the real life example. dy by dx can be denoted as y is assume the hardness of t. X is time. Everyone will be clear the hardness of t depends upon the time should be varied. So here what is understood here, y is dependent variable. X is independent variable. Y depends with x, it will be varied. Now we will clear. I hope you understand what is dependent variable, what is independent variable. Next, we will discuss what is order and degree. Order is nothing but the highest derivative of the differential equation. Degree means the power of the highest derivative. Before any problem will be given to the question paper, we want to find out order and degree. First, three important things keep it in your mind. First, the equation don't have any fractional power, any square root. Next, fraction power. Okay, so first these three things occur in your given equation. First, ignore that three things. Then you have to apply the definition. Take and try to order and degree. Order means what? The highest derivative of the differential equation. Degree means the power of highest derivative. Now we will discuss one of the example. See this example. 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, the whole power 3. It is equal to d square y by dx square, the whole power 3. See this equation. Any fraction power is occur? No. So first of all, take and try to the order. Order means what? The highest derivative. What is the highest derivative for in this equation? Second order. See second right hand side, the second order derivatives appear. So that is the highest derivative. So what is order for in this example? Order is 2. Second order differential equation. Okay. So order is 2. What is degree? The power of highest derivative. Which is highest derivative? The second order is the highest derivative for in this equation. What is power of that? 3. So degree is 3. So now in this way you are taken right the order and degree. The second example, see this example. The numerator having the fraction power. Denominator also one of the derivatives there. So this type of the equation given to the question paper, first take and write to the normal form. Already I told, first try to ignore the fraction power, write simple way to the given equation. Okay, how to ignore 3 by 2 the power? Taking the square root on both sides. First, you have to take and write the denominator to right hand side. So d squared y by dx squared can be right to right hand side. So what is you receive? 1 plus dy by dx the whole square the power 3 by 2 equal to c into d squared y by dx square. Next in our aim, ignore the fraction power. How to ignore 3 by 2? Taking the square root on both sides. So automatically that 2 is cancelled. What is we will receive? 1 plus dy by dx the whole square the whole power 3. It is equal to c square d square y by dx square the whole square. Now easily we can now see this step. It is a normal form. No square root, no fraction power. So now easily we can apply the definition of order and degree. What is order? The highest derivative. What is the highest derivative for in the final step? D squared y by dx square. So order is 2. What is degree? The power of highest derivative. What is the power of that highest derivative? 2. So in this example, order is 2, power is 2. Are you clear? Next we are going to the next problem. See this example. Y equal to x dy by dx plus x divided by dy by dx. First any equation will be given. First write to the simple way. Then you can apply the direct definition. It is an order and degree working process. First, we try to ignore the denominator derivative. How to try to ignore the denominator? Taking the LCM, very simple. One fraction addition to another fraction. So normally how we have to do that? 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. How we can do addition process? Taking the LCM. The same way of the process here also we have to follow. Here derivative, that's all. So taking the LCM, dy by dx is a LCM. First take the LCM, dy by dx, that denominator taken right to the left hand side. So we received y into dy by dx equal to x into dy by dx the whole square plus x. Now see the final step. This is a normal way. No fraction power. Simple way. So now easily we can apply the order and degree definition. What is the order? The highest derivative. What is highest derivative? Only first derivative only appear for the final step. The highest derivative is dy by dx. What is the order? 1. What is the degree? The power of highest derivative. What is the power of that dy by dx? 2. So that is degree. See the equation, very simple one. See this problem. Very simple one. Nothing for denominator. Now the power is not a fraction. So easily we can write it. What are the first term is? Third order differential equation. Second term, second order differential equation. First, third term, the first order differential equation. So already we know, easily we can take it right to the order and degree. What is that order? Highest derivative. What is the highest derivative? The third order differential equation. So order is 3. What is power? The power is 1. So easily we can take it right in this example. Next examples. This is also very simple. The order for second order differential equation derivatives appear for this equation. So order is 2, degree is 1. Today we will discuss order and degree. Next class we will discuss the formation of differential equation. Thank you.